The Industrial Training Fund ITF Abuja has expressed a strong commitment to signing a Memorandum of Understanding MOU with the Maryam Abacha American University of Nigeria as part of an effort to promote collaborative teaching and research. The ITF team, led by its training manager Halima A. Rabo, expressed the commitment of the agency when they paid a courtesy visit to the university on Wednesday, the 30th of August 2023. During the visit, the team was received by top management staff of the university, including the president, Professor Dr. Muhammad Israr, Dean School of Social and Management Sciences, Dr. Mahmoud Mukhtar Saidu, Head International Office, Engineer Bashir Garba, Secretary General AAPU, Professor Abubakar Sadiq Haruna, and representatives of the School of Health Sciences, Dr. M. Kabir and Dr. Nazir. In her remarks, Mrs. Rabo noted that the visit was aimed at discussing possible areas of collaboration for the mutual benefits of the two prospective partners. She identified the areas of partnership, which she said are subject for review, to include capacity development, organizing joint academic researches, conferences, seminars, and symposia. Other areas are faculty and research exchange, internships, opportunities, consultancy services, and joint publications. While explaining some formalities about the operation of the ITF, Mrs. Rabo advised the institution on the appointment of its SciWest director as well as coordinators at school level so as to ensure smooth running of the scheme. Mrs. Rabo, who spoke on the ITF modus operandi, expressed profound gratitude to the founder of the institution, Professor Adamu Abubakar Gwarzo, for granting them an audience as well as his efforts towards improving the quality of education in Nigeria. Earlier in his address, the president of MAAUN, Professor Dr. Muhammad Israr, said the MOU would open a window of opportunities for the two organizations, especially MAAUN students who would gain hands-on training for professional programs. The meeting had recorded a series of deliberations and suggestions on the specific areas of mutual collaboration, whereas some items in the MOU draft were reviewed and improved to match the particular needs of the prospective partners. Members from MAAUN were tasked to work on the reviewed version of the documents and effect all the changes made during the sitting so that the final document can be presented during the next meeting for the official signing of the MOU. In his closing remarks, the Vice President Administration, Dr. Habib Awais Abubakar, expressed sincere appreciation to the ITF team for finding time to pay the visit and discuss institutional collaboration in areas that will be of benefit to both institutions. He admitted that the meeting has been fruitful and had provided an enabling environment for cross-fertilization of ideas. Dr. Awais, who described the ITF as a center for excellence, said when the partnership becomes a reality, the center has the wherewithal to build in MAAUN students' technical skills and abilities for professional growth. After the meeting, the ITF team were taken round some places in the university, after which an award was presented to the founder and the president of MAAUN Kano, Professor Adamu Abubakar Gwarzo and Professor Israr, respectively. Other ITF officials present during the visit were Engineer Siraja Muhammad Tukur, AM Kano Office, Halima Ismail Muhammad, Head of Training, Engineer Ibrahim, TDO MSTC, Alhaji Nuhu Ibrahim, Engineer Aliyu Bello, PTDO MSTC Abuja, and Zakaria Yusuf Saleh, Training Development Office, Abuja.